let's see the question number 7. It is given that the students of 8th standard class 8 of a school, they donate rupees 2408 in all for Prime Minister National Relief Fund. मतलब सारे बच्चे मिला के 2401, that is the donation they give. This is the condition and which is very interesting. It is said that each students donate as many rupees as the number of students are in the class. मतलब हर एक बच्चा कितने रुपए दे रहा है? जितने बच्चे क्लास में प्रेजेंट है, मतलब जितने बच्चे क्लास में है. समझो कि देर आर 10 स्टूडेंट्स इन द क्लास, सो एवरी स्टूडेंट्स विल गिव 10 रुपीज. तो डोनेशन क्या होगा? 10 into 10 दैट इज 100. अगर समझो क्लास में 15 बच्चे हैं तो हर एक बच्चा 15 रुपए देगा, सो द डोनेशन विल बी 225. So here whatever the donation will come is must be a square of certain number which we can identify from the given statement. हर एक बच्चा कितने रुपए दे रहा है? जितने क्लास में बच्चे हैं. तो क्लास में अगर 15 बच्चे हैं तो हर एक बच्चा 15 रुपए दे रहा है. दैट मीन्स 15 स्टूडेंट्स into 15 is 225. So the same way the number which we obtain here, that is the donate amount is 2408, it must be a perfect square. So we can say that 2408 is a perfect square. So here we have to find out that it's a perfect square of which number. So we can find out using the prime factorization method to find out that it is a perfect square of which number. So it won't be divisible by 2. Let's see that it is divisible by 3. No. 5. No. 7. Let's try with 7. 7 3s are 21. 30. 7 4s are 28. 7 3s are. Now 7, as we know, it is a cube of 7. 49. 7 7s are and 7 1s are. We can obtain here 2408 is square of 7 square of 7. That means 7 into 7 the whole square. That means it is a square of 49. So we can come to the conclusion here when we find out the square root, we will get 49. So we can say therefore there are 49 students present in the class, or we can say not present, are there in the class. How? 49 students and each students pay 49 rupees. So 49 into 49 is 2401. So this is the answer. Continue with the next question. Question number 8. It is given that 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way, this is the condition which we can identify what we have to do, that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. मतलब हर एक रोज में कितने प्लांट्स होंगे? Each row contain as many plants as the number of rows. जितने टोटल रोज होंगे, सपोज टोटल रोज 15 है. रोज मतलब like this, which these are called the rows. 1 2 3 4 like this, as we are sitting in a benches, first bench, second bench, third. So these are the rows. तो हर एक रोज में कितने प्लांट्स हैं? So as many plants, हर एक रोज में कितने प्लांट्स हैं? As many plants as there are number of rows. अगर टोटल 4 रोज है तो there are 4 plants in each row. So again we can consider and we can understand it is like the same question which we have done the previous one of Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. So yes, we have to find out the square root of this. So as it is mentioned 2025 are the total number of plants. So total plants are there 2025. So we have to find out the square root to find out the number of rows and how many plants in each row. So it obviously divisible by 5. आप 3 से भी कर सकते हो. चलो एक बार हम पहले 5 से करते हैं तो पता चलेगा. 5 4s are 20. फिर देखो 2 आ रहा है, so not divisible. कई बच्चे सीधा 45 लिख देंगे. So remember it will be wrong. So 405. Again 5 8s are 1s are. Now we can see it's not divisible by 5. So 3 27s are. 3 9s are. 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So this 5, 3 and 3. So 2025 is a square of 5, square of 3, square of 3. So we can see that it's a perfect square of 5 into 3 into 3. That means 45 the whole square. So when we do the square root of 2025, that is 45. So we can say that there are 45 rows and 45 plants in each row. I hope students you understand this, and it is quite easy and very important.